Hey, so what is MedPay, or what is medical payment insurance coverage? Okay, this is a term in the personal injury space and car insurance space. MedPay is an option for additional coverage you can buy under your uninsured or underinsured motorist insurance. If you got questions about UM and UIM, check out my other video. But it's an option you can buy, and it's usually dirt cheap. And you buy it in increments of $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, or sometimes more. And it reimburses you for medical bills and medical expenses related to an accident. This can be prescriptions, copays, bills, equipment. By equipment, like let's say you broke your leg and you needed a scooter, it can reimburse you for that. Now this is reimbursement, so you have to pay it, then you get paid back. Normally it's super quick. Usually you have a check inside of 30 days, sometimes even quicker than that, okay? I have seen some insurance companies even just send it right away. Why do we recommend it? Is because this can really help with the financial burden an accident causes. One, you can get it quick, okay? So even if somebody else caused the wreck, you may have some expenses related to your treatment. And rather than wait till the settlement's done, this can be used to pay those right away. So you're not hearing from bill collectors. You can get some of your copay money back, things like that. Also though, it can help if you cause the accident. See, MedPay is no fault, meaning if you're the driver and you cause the accident, you're still covered by MedPay. Other people in your car also covered by MedPay. And unlike most types of coverage, MedPay is that amount for everybody in your car. So if you've got 4 people in your car, you've got a $5,000 MedPay policy. It's $5,000 reimbursement for your medical expenses, $5,000 for each of your passengers' medical expenses. So it can really help. Also, sometimes people will tell me, well, I've got health insurance, why do I need it? If you're like me and most people, your health insurance has a big deductible. I raised my MedPay coverage up to the amount of that deductible. That way, if I'm involved in a wreck, all my deductible is pretty much covered by my MedPay, so I don't have to worry about it. It's a great way to do it. It's really cheap. I highly recommend it to everybody that you get it on your policy, whether you got health insurance or not. If you don't have health insurance, it's even better to get, okay? Now, in a couple states, MedPay has to be paid back out of the settlement, but I would still recommend you use it. It just reduces the amount of the settlement, but it also takes care of those bills on the front end. Now, that's something you're going to have to ask your lawyer, because a lot of states do not require that, okay? Because that's between you and your insurance company and not the bad guy's insurance company. But once again, this is very fact specific. You're going to have to ask your lawyer about that. Now, hopefully you found this information helpful. We try to make all our FAQs related to the personal injury space and car accidents. If you like that, hit like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. And remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane. 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.